other thing that's handy is on the mask that I have been selling, and I'm sure there are other people that are making masks with elastic earpieces. I use about 10 inches of elastic on the ends and tie them really loosely when you purchase one from me. But if it ever breaks, or you can't get it out, or it comes out in the wash, it's super simple to fix it. You just cut yourself another piece of elastic, and you know, this could be also tiny ribbon. It could even be a torn piece of t-shirt. If you ever tear a t-shirt across, you'll notice that it rolls up. It kind of makes its own ties. So you could use that also. But this is really super simple. There's just this corded end here, this little flap. I use a safety pin to poke it through. There's all kinds of sewing tools you can use too, but safety pins are pretty widely available. And you just poke it through and just kind of keep running it with your hands till it pops out the other side, like so. Just string it through. And you can tie these, you can tie a double knot if you want, just like this, and then do it again until it's comfortable for your ears. I like to kind of line them up, get them as close as possible there, and then just zip them around a finger, pull it off. Tails get tucked inside, and pull it softly, and then you can pull it in either direction for whatever's comfortable for your ear. And this folded piece should sit as close to the face as possible, so you don't want stuff, you don't want this loosey-goosey on the side so things can get in the side. You want that, you know, pulled together so that it's tight enough to sit pretty close to the face. So that's how you replace one of those. Easy peasy.